Right, so this is our last trading day of the year. A a blown account, of course, which is a personal record. Actually, I've only had this account for 2 days. I've never done that. I've never done it that quick before. But we'll see why now. So this was gold, but at open. So a lot of manipulation taking place at open. It looks like it, despite looking like a bit of a bear flag, it did start to look like it was breaking out of that. Going to start moving back up in the overall uptrend that gold was in. So yeah, yeah, just trading right at open. It was like the first couple of 1 minute, obviously it's 5 minute chart, but first couple of 1 minute candles. So yeah, I think it's always a bit of a gamble at open. Yeah, this one didn't work out for us, and we actually got stopped out for a big loss. It was like $450 loss. It's pretty insane. So yeah. Right, this one, playing into that bear flag now, aiming for a retest of that trend line. We followed the trade down with our stop loss. Got quite tight with it in the end. But yeah, it was nothing wrong with this trade. It was a nice one. And this really is the trade that we probably should have took at market open. So yeah, we took this one not straight after being stopped out the first one, but not long after, in all fairness. Silly trade, attempting a quick bounce off the trend. Stupid. I don't know why I did this. Just, yeah. Yeah, over trading. Didn't need to take this, didn't need to do it. Just silly. And with a larger contract size as well. I think by this point we'd just decided that the account was getting to the point where we were quite far gone, so we were just doing whatever just to try and get it back. So this one added into this, which was the beginning of my downfall. A huge green candle came in to stop me out, so I could have got out there. Nice little bit of profit there. $147 I think was the best it went, and then we had that. I think that was news. I think that was news actually that caused that. I think it was a news candle. But yeah, just annoying because But I don't know. I think the markets have been really choppy just recently. I don't know whether it's because it's just over the holidays or whatever, but we've definitely been very impulsive, over trading. Just can't not put a trade on. I think that's the problem. Every time we look at the charts, we've just got to put a trade on. I don't know why I stayed in. I don't know why I stayed in this. I don't know what I was waiting for, what I was doing. I think like I say, the account was so far gone. I was just wasn't even really that bothered anymore. This was an interesting one. I just went full tilt, obviously. theoretically, I felt as though the 800s, 25,800 was a fair target to go to, but it was just in a range, really. The entire market was in a range. This is the Nasdaq, obviously. Yeah, I wandered off. I didn't watch this. And as it were, it came all the way back. All the way back. And yeah, we had, I think when we took this trade, we had like $300 of drawdown left. So obviously, it's come all the way back down and then some. Yeah, just the account was breached, so it just automatically closed the position on me. Yeah, so whatever. I think obviously won't be trading again until the new year. New account. I don't know, because I keep saying it, need to become a bit more disciplined. Definitely going to go back to not trading as many contracts, scale down again. I don't really know why I went back to increasing the size. I don't know why I went back to increasing the size. Weird. I don't really know why I did that. So yeah, go back to the smaller contract sizes for definite, and yeah, just see what happens. I think, yeah, it's not working at the moment, but it will. And the thing is, I know that we can do it. But I feel as though since I've started recording and looking back on these, I've gotten worse. And but by the same rule, I do think that the market's moving worse than I remember it doing when I first sort of started trading futures. Obviously before I started recording my trades, but I definitely do not remember it chopping the way it is doing. I just really weird. And obviously for someone who, like me, is still a beginner, still learning, still trying to find a strategy that works, it just, it's quite difficult, really. But we go